Now, this is a very interesting section in your interview preparation for IIT MACST program for Delhi. Now, here the questions would be pertaining to AI, data privacy, and society. But note, this is not from the perspective of technical aspect. You are not an engineer and you wouldn't be asked the technical aspect of it. But yes, you would be asked these topics from the perspective of humanities. Now, from the perspective of humanities, let's say data privacy. So this could be a question as a power or a consent. Then there could be the environmental costs that these digital infrastructures are actually having. Then there can be questions pertaining to the cultural effect of AI. Now, this could be the labor displacement, this could be the filter bubbles or the identity, how AI shapes the modern culture and human behavior, what could be the ethical implications of the privacy, the data privacy, and concepts related to emerging technology, environmental sustainability. So those are some of the important aspects that you must be very, very familiar with. And then, as we said, you are a humanities background student, right? Not a technical student. So it's not about the questions on coding related to AI, but the power of AI in bringing in empathy, changes, sovereignty, the consent in data privacy. Then there could be questions which could ask you the real contemporary things. For example, the Aadhaar usage, the NSSO data, or the Analytica information. So a real case story could be an interesting way in which you could explain the questions. And then, of course, digital infrastructure, its implication, the geopolitical locations of those again become important. So mainly the whole focus is around the social phenomena and not the technical phenomena. So if the word strikes as AI, data privacy, you should not get nervous, because the examiner or the interviewer is not concerned about your technical knowledge on those subjects. So understand the concept that you are a humanities student, and your interview perspective should highlight that very, very clearly when you are in front of the interview board. In the next session, we'll discuss more important topics in your interview preparation. Stay tuned.